It's time to put an end to your woodworking woes and start to get creative. It's time to save some money by doing it yourself. You need Ted's Woodworking. Here's why. Have you wasted hundreds of dollars on woodworking products? Are you sick of struggling with DIY wood projects and wasting loads of money on tools and material? Ted's Woodworking is the solution you need. Stop. Before you buy another ebook or woodworking system, you need Ted's Woodworking. Here's why. Most woodworking guides are no help at all. They are often complicated and not detailed enough. What you need is an edge on woodworking if you want to say goodbye to your woodworking woes and see results. And that is where the unique Ted's Woodworking package comes in. Ted's Woodworking is all you need to complete 16,000 DIY wood projects, laid out in detail and easy to follow steps. So chuck the useless info you already have and start saving money by doing it yourself, no matter what your skill level. Ted's Woodworking is so new and different, and it is helping many people complete projects at home. With over 16,000 DIY wood projects, many have embarked on a new path that leads away from their woodworking woes and towards success with DIY wood projects, and they are saving money. Here are a few things you don't need. You don't need to be an expert or even knowledgeable in woodworking to master the 16,000 DIY wood projects on offer, because the system is designed in such a way that even a beginner can use it. And because Ted's woodworking methods run counter to the mainstream methods the woodworking gurus are teaching, the newer you are to the game, the better you're likely to do. You don't need to have prior success in woodworking. In fact, the Ted's Woodworking system will guide you step by step through 16,000 DIY wood projects quickly and easily. You don't need to get hours of training because you're going to be walked hand in hand through this. There's no excuse not to try some of these DIY wood projects yourself. And you don't need to wait because you can get started immediately. The Ted's Woodworking methods work for anyone straight away. If you're feeling locked out of the woodworking game because you don't have hours to spare trying to overcome your woodworking woes, or you can't face your struggle when it comes to DIY projects anymore, or you're wasting loads of money on things you can build yourself with 16,000 DIY wood projects, or you don't have money to burn on another dead end guaranteed to save you money ebook, then I have some incredible news for you. Here's a step-by-step guide to 16,000 DIY wood projects today using this brand new woodworking tool, Ted's Woodworking. Click the link below this video to get access and start building things that your friends and family will admire. You can do this. Click on the link below and check this out.